Because what you're saying there just blown my mind, just sounds incredible. Obviously, I'm a newbie this year. The thing that we're getting asked the most is who else is going to be in the room? Is it the right room for them to be part of? So I don't know who's best, Arit or Amy, just to probably explain the sorts of people that are there, just so we can make sure that we invite more incredible people.
In terms of job roles, who attended last year were senior VPs. We had a lot of senior managers, heads of, general managers. We had and they were in different, could be operations, HR, could be in marketing, right across the kind of the value chain, if you want, accounts as well. We had. But it tends to be those who have people leading their teams. And it tends to be for people who have individuals reporting into them. And they were a mix. So some people had been leading for a while, but needed a refresher. Some people had been, most of the people in the room straddled leadership and management. So because they are two different roles, but people tend to be doing both. So we had people in the room who fit into that category. So it's not really a new entrant or necessarily like I've never managed people before. It tended to be I'm in this room, or I'm about to step into this kind of leadership management room and I need the tools to be able to do that effectively, or my team dynamic is shifting and I'm not, what I learned before isn't really helping me navigate the shift in needs and dynamics today.